If you write JavaScript code, especially in Shopify, encapsulation becomes crucial. Why? Because without it, our theme scripts can become an entangled mess faster than we can say JavaScript. But there's a way to keep our ship afloat. Class based encapsulation in JavaScript. No fluff, just organized, efficient, and streamlined code. You must have functions like this for features such as product carousel, grades, sliders, and many more. Looks simple at the moment, but pile up a few of these, and in no time you've got yourself a code maze. Switching gears to JavaScript classes can make all of this much more manageable. As you can see, we are rewriting the previous example now in the classes, and you can be the judge if this approach is way better than the function approach or not. Now that we have reached the conclusion that class-based components are not just the future, they are the now and way better than writing functional components in Shopify. So today, along with me, you will be hands-on creating your own efficient class component for Shopify. Ready? But before we begin, let's find out what kind of component are you looking to build. Are you creating a product slider, a model, a dynamic checkout? Nail down your component's purpose first. Once we have that cleared out, we can start building our component. For me, I am going to build a very simple toggle lights on and off component in JavaScript. So let's get started. We will start by building our class first, which we will name light dark toggle. It will be in Pascal case. After then, we will build our constructor that will take the button as a parameter. And inside the constructor, we will define two variables, this button, which will refer to the button, and this light mode, which will keep the state if the light is enabled or disabled. After which we will initialize our first method, which will be this.init, inside which we will write our first event listener that will trigger on every click of the button and run the toggle mode method. Inside the toggle mode method, we are writing our logic. The logic will be that if the light mode is true, we will change the background color to black. If it is false, we will change it to white. And we will change the state of the isLight toggle variable again by the end of the code. And then in the final term, we are defining our button that will be clicked on. And then we are passing that button inside our class initialization. So when the class is being run, it could take that button as its parameter and do the function that we have written. So this concludes our topic for the day, which was encapsulation in JavaScript, specifically writing for Shopify. If you have any suggestions or any queries, write them down in the comment section. I'll be happy to reply. And we'll be coming along with our own Shopify course very soon in the channel. So if you want to learn more about Shopify and about the front-end development in general, do leave a subscribe, and I'll see you along in the next one.